Hey guys, thanks for joining me once again. Today we're going to be going over the processes at which vitamin D actually gets absorbed and utilized within the body. So let's go ahead and jump into this diagram together. You'll see at the very top I have a picture of the sunlight there, and then if you go to the middle right of this diagram you'll see dietary intake. So those are the two best ways for us to get vitamin D within our bodies here. But I cannot emphasize enough that sunlight is the best way. So if you follow this diagram from the sun, you'll see some arrows that trickle down all the way to the liver, and then you go further down to the kidneys. So there is quite a few different chemical reactions that happen in our body in order to convert sunlight into the appropriate type of vitamin D that is needed to be digested and utilized within our body. So follow this diagram all the way down to the right next to the kidneys where it says 1,25 dihydroxy vitamin D3. And that is the specific compound that our bodies actually can utilize and need for all of the processes that I've talked to you guys so far this week. But as you know, when we don't get sunlight, well, we have to find other ways to get vitamin D3. And the only other way that we can really get that is through dietary intake. Now, as I alluded to before, our diets are so processed that we don't really have foods that are extremely high dose of vitamin D for us to take, but they are most commonly found in fish. So the second best way is going to be through supplements. So the reason why we have the type of supplement that we do within our office is it's a specific vitamin D3 compound that is best utilized within our bodies for all cell function that is needed. But how we administer it is also a very important aspect. So over here in this diagram, I have a picture of a mouth, and underneath our tongue we have these very specific glands called sublingual glands. And what you do when you take our vitamin D3, you're supposed to let the liquid sit under your tongue for about 30 seconds to a minute. And why that is that these glands specifically have connection to our circulatory system in the body. So that means it directly enters the bloodstream and is able to feed every organ and every cell that we have. Unlike if you were to just swallow it, that just goes through your digestive tract and therefore eliminates and is metabolized and eliminates a lot of the vitamin D3 compounds that the rest of the body needs. So to finish off this video and send you on your way for this Thursday, I'm going to end with the wise words of Derek Shepherd from Grey's Anatomy.
All right, everybody, it's a beautiful night to save lives. Let's have some fun.